Hello, Shemai, Mel here, and I have some very exciting news for book lovers everywhere. I'm here in Shop Cantermeal in Cardiff to announce this year's shortlist on the English language category of the Tir na Nog Book Awards. This year's shortlist does not disappoint. Each one is enchanting, engaging and entertaining. Honestly, they are like must read. You have to read them. So without further ado, here is this year's shortlist. Megs by Melanie Owen, Welsh Giants, Ghosts and Goblins by Claire Fayers, The 12 by Liz Hyder, and Cynefin, Wales and the World, Today's Geography for Future Generations by David Watkin-Williams. A big diolch yn fawr, thank you very much to Cilip Cymru for supporting and sponsoring these awards. And of course, llongyfarchiadau enfawr, a huge congratulations to all of the shortlisted authors. For more information on all of the shortlisted books and, very excitingly, the winners announcement in May, make sure that you head to the Books Council of Wales website or social media platforms. And most importantly, happy reading!